Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. It is very nice to meet you. In today's video, we will be doing a power hour cleaning video. I have never done this before and I am super pumped. So what it basically is I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 1 hour. I already have it ready to go for as soon as I'm done filming this intro. And I have a handy dandy list here. So this is everything that I need to get done in that hour. Of course I'm going to be doing a lot more than that, but that's just the things that I literally have to get done. So I have 1 entire hour to clean my whole house. So fingers crossed that I can get this done in an hour. I'm pretty sure I can, but we shall see. So let's get into this video.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. I saw the guy that she was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Oh my god, guys, I did it. I can't believe I finished it. I literally have 4 minutes and 21 seconds left to spare. I powered through my entire house in less than an hour, and I also got everything done and more off of my list. So I am so happy I did this video. Literally, if you have 1 hour, do this. I highly recommend it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!